I am not a dig in the ground kind of girl, but really want to grow my own veggies. What foods can I grow inside, and what do I need to do to it? And this is Audrey from Cordova, Tennessee. All right, Peter. She don't want to dig in the ground. Right. She wants to grow indoors. So what foods can she grow inside, and what does she need to do?
Well, it's really hard to grow anything indoors that's a vegetable. Anything that has a fruit is out. Okay. You're not going to get enough light.
Okay.
I would say if it's going to be indoors, okay, you have to do it inside. Right. You'll need to be in a sunny window. You can probably grow spinach and lettuce, leafy greens, possibly some herbs, and you can probably make that work in a window.
Yeah.
I would recommend, though, if you're wanting to grow, tomatoes, peppers, things like that, get a couple of containers and just put them right outside your back door.
Okay. Okay.
That way you don't have to go far. It's not like you have to dig in the ground.
Sure.
But you can just, have a 3, 4, 5 gallon container, put a pepper in it, and now you have peppers. So that's the way I'd go.
I do like that. I do like that. And of course, you can't grow a lot of herbs indoors. Cilantro comes to mind, dill, parsley, basil. Which you can grow, inside, south-facing window. It does need, a lot of sunlight.
Leafy greens.
Yeah, leafy greens.
You can do it, probably do inside on the windowsill.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.